Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you how you can delete multiple events here in Google Calendar. Unfortunately, Google Calendar does not allow bulk deletion through multiple selection. So I'm going to show you multiple ways on how you can delete multiple events. So the first way is by deleting reoccurring events. For example, you set an event and you set that event to be repeating or reoccurring. For example, it can be daily or weekly or monthly. And as you can see, I have here my lecture class that is set on every Tuesday. And if I go ahead and click on my lecture class, I click on the delete event button. As you can see, I can delete just this specific event, or I could also choose to delete this specific event and the following events. Or I could also choose to delete all events. So what happens if I choose this option, it will delete all the events that follows as well as the events that has already happened. So if I go ahead and click on OK, as you can see, the lecture class event is gone in my calendar because I've already deleted that. So the second way to delete multiple events is through the feature over here at the left sidebar. As you can see, the events are color-coded based on the category that you put the event in. So for example, I want to delete all the reminders event. As you can see, I have a few reminders over here. I have the reminder to feed the dogs, take a walk, or visit the hospital. I'm just going to click on the reminders and then click on the three dots option. Then click on settings and sharing. Then you just want to scroll down and delete. Then you want to go back, and as you can see, all the reminders are gone in my calendar. So the third way and the last way that you can delete is manually deleting your events. So just want to go ahead to the top, and then click on schedule, and you will see here the list of your events, and then you can just manually delete them over here by clicking on the event and clicking on the delete task. So it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.